Hello students, this is the answer key of Hindi elective subject class 12. So if you have this question paper, kindly open your question paper and I will be telling you the answers. Quickly you can check your score, and the question paper code number is this and set 4. Those who have this question paper code and set 4, you can check your score quickly. I want to show you the answers. You can check your score. So here you can see question number 1, answer D, 2 D, 3 B, 4 B, 5 A, 6 D, 7 D, 8 C. Question number 9, C, 10 C. Next one passes, you can see. So here question number 11 comes, it is B, 12 C, 13 D. Next it comes 14 A, 15 D, 16 C, 17 A, 18 B. Question number 19 B, 20 B. This is one more access is coming here. You can see 21. Question number 21 A, but sometimes some subject expert they are telling option C also. 22 A, 23 A, 24 D, sorry 23 this one, 24 D, 25 D, 26 D, 27 D, 28 A. After that again it is coming 29 29 A, 30 C, 31 C, 32 B, 33 D, 34 C, 35 A, 36 D. Similarly, now 37 C, 38 A, 39 B, 40 C, 41 D, 42 D, 43 A, 44 C, 45 A, 46 A. Next it comes 47, 47 D, 48 C, 49 D, but here also some subject expert they are telling A, so you can check 50, sorry, I think, okay, just 1 minute, I am telling 49. So 49 is D, but some subject expert they are telling A. 50 it is D. 51 B. 52 C. 53 A. 54 A. 55 C. 56 C. 57 B. 58 here also answer C, but some subject expert they are telling D. You can check the answer. 59 similarly A, but doubt with D, and finally 60 answer A. So this is your answer key. You can check your score. Goodbye, take care. Once again we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.